In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone an issue in Jira software. Whether you're managing a project or just looking to save time by duplicating an existing issue, knowing how to clone in Jira can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start on your Jira homepage. This is your central hub for accessing projects, issues, and all the various tools that Jira has to offer. If you're not already on the homepage, simply log into your Jira account and you should be taken to this main dashboard. Next, turn your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the Projects tab. Click on this tab to view a list of all your projects. It's here that you'll need to find and select the specific project you want to work with. So go ahead and click on the name of your chosen project to open it. With the project opened, you'll see a new set of tabs appear at the top of the page. Click on the Issues tab. This will display a list of all issues within the selected project, making it easy for you to locate the one you want to clone. Now comes the step where you decide which specific issue you need duplicated. Browse through the list or use the search bar to navigate directly to the issue you intend to clone. Once you've found the right issue, look for the three dots, also known as an ellipsis, in the tickets menu options. These are typically located in the top right corner when you're viewing an issue, and they hold additional options not immediately visible. Clicking on the ellipsis will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the clone option. It's as straightforward as it sounds. This action will initiate the cloning process for the selected issue. Afterwards, you'll be prompted to fill in some details for your cloned issue. You'll need to enter a summary that provides a brief but clear description of what the issue is. Also, set the assignee, which is the person responsible for addressing this issue. Don't forget to fill in the reporter field as well, indicating who identified the need for this issue to be tracked. Once all the necessary fields are filled out to your satisfaction, it's time to complete the process by clicking the Clone button. This final click saves your cloned issue, making it a perfectly duplicated version of the original within your project. And there you have it, a fully cloned issue in Jira, ready for further action based on your project needs. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your tasks, saving both time and effort in your workflow. Thank you for joining me today, and happy project management in Jira.